Hey guys, so I want to go over this chart on Apple here. I don't want to put too much stuff on the chart, even though it looks like there's a ton of stuff on here. I'm sure you guys might be a little confused, but let's just break it down, and we can easily see it once we kind of deconstruct it that way. So uh, first and foremost, we always kind of look at our bottom indicator here to see where the strength is in the chart, if there is any. Here it looks like it's falling quite substantially, also kind of in line with how it did in the past. Something that I really like to do is how the chart has performed at certain levels. Clearly, we can see once we got above this trend line here, we were pretty consistent on getting above about 5% to 6%, and then we saw a pretty nice decline here. So this is what I'm trying to see if this might be the same thing we're going to be seeing again, or if this trend line is even met. So hopefully through this little bit of analysis here, we can kind of get ourselves prepared for the price action to come, or even if it just gets bought up. However, from the way that this chart looks right now, it doesn't seem like it's going to be the typical buy the dip. First off, I mean, we really haven't sold off that much compared to February 2021 and September of last year. So we have some pretty big things coming up here with the macro view, like Evergrande, of course, and just typical like overevaluate companies in the stock market, just needing to really kind of come back to reality a bit. So with this chart, we're also seeing on our moving average delta, which is calculating the volume delta. We're seeing it decline sharply here. And we're also seeing the orange line decrease below the blue line that I've got set up here. So when historically when that happens, you really start to see weakness here as well. But just how consistent this is right here, I really wanted to point out just that 6%, then to a massive 25% sell-off for the following couple weeks until we were able to get some kind of direction going on here. I'm not going to add too much here, but you can see it was pretty volatile, but we were still climbing back up. I kind of expect to see something similar with potentially a 20% drop off or 25% drop off. If we are to lose this line here and retest it underneath, that could be what I would be really concerned with in the stock market, especially in Apple. It's possible. We saw some strength come in at the end of the market today, but it could just be getting people, shaking people out. A lot of people left the market recently, and it looks like there's going to be some more pain to come. So I just hope you guys are, this helps you and gives you an idea of, how you read charts and how things can play out, and where, I mean, if you were watching this trend line above here, you were really in a great position to go short. And once this trend line fell here, it was quite obvious gonna fall for several days, and then finally Monday morning, September 20th, we woke up to a nice little gap down here over on the SPY and Apple. And so yeah, just if you guys like this stuff, let me know. Definitely willing to do more for you guys. Thanks, and good luck.